Hi there, and welcome to today's video where I'll be discussing VPN safety. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are tools that many people use to protect their online privacy and security. But how safe are they? In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at the risks and benefits of using a VPN and provide some tips on how to stay safe on the internet while using one. So let's start with the basics. How do VPNs really work? A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a private server, which can help protect your online activity from prying eyes. This can be especially useful when using public Wi-Fi networks. This could be at the airport, at a restaurant, or at a shopping mall, which are often unsecured and leave your data vulnerable to hackers. However, it's important to understand that not all VPNs are created equal. Some VPNs may actually put your data at risk rather than protecting it. Here are some risks you should be aware of. Firstly, some free VPNs may sell your data to third-party advertisers in order to make money. This completely undermines the whole purpose of using a VPN in the first place, as it exposes your data to potential privacy violations. Just think of it, if something is free, you're either paying it indirectly or directly. Who would create a business and provide a service for free? If they're providing you a service and not charging you, then obviously they're selling your data to third-party advertisers. Secondly, some VPNs may not have strong encryption protocols, leaving your data vulnerable to interception by hackers. And finally, there is a risk of using VPNs in countries where they are illegal. In some countries, the use of VPNs is strictly prohibited, and using one can result into fines or even imprisonment. Now let's talk about how to stay safe while using a VPN. Here are some tips for you. Tip number 1. Always do your research before choosing a VPN provider. Look for providers with a strong track record of privacy and security, and read reviews and ratings from other users. Some of the most commonly used VPNs include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, among others. I'm not endorsing any of these, but however, there are many people online using these, and they have got strong reviews. It is up to you to decide on which VPN service provider you would use. Tip number 2. Always use a paid VPN service, as free VPNs are more likely to compromise your privacy and security. Would you do a business and provide a service for free? If your answer is no, then it's better that you find a paid VPN service. Tip number 3. Ensure that your VPN has strong encryption protocols such as OpenVPN or OKEv2. Finally, be aware of laws regarding VPN use in your country or in the country you're residing, and ensure that you are not breaking any laws by using a VPN. In conclusion, VPNs can be a powerful tool for protecting your online privacy and security. However, it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to ensure that you are using a safe and secure VPN provider. By doing your research and following best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of using a VPN while keeping your data safe and secure. For example, you could be in a country and you want to watch Netflix, but in the region where you are, a particular movie is not provided for. Once you switch your VPN, you are able to watch that particular movie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.